Vlogmas is you.
Good morning. It is currently almost 11. I feel like I've been hit by a truck. I am so tired. My body is so sore. It was so hard for me to get up. But we're gonna push through. There's gonna be construction noise. I'm sorry. I'm trying to do better. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make something different today to see if Rose likes it. So I'm searching 2-ingredient oat bread. It's something that we found on TikTok, of course, but we're gonna get the recipe from online. I actually found the recipe already, but I saved it on my husband's phone. So what do the reviews say? They don't really talk too much about what the bread's like, so we'll see what it's like. All right, we need to actually go in my room because I have one of the blender things in my room, and I think the other one has a smoothie in it. Okay, I was using it for water. We don't need that anymore. Gonna dry it off. So I'm gonna make oats, I think, and slice up avocado and make eggs. You're supposed to blend the oats before you add the milk. Take 2. Now blend it. Don't get it wet. Such a real chef. I made flour. Okay. Have you ever made flour?
No, personally not.
Exactly. So now we got this. And I think it's 1/4 of milk.
You have?
Don't recommend stirring it in here because then like you can't really get it out. So apparently Rose thinks it's ready. So we're gonna try it together. I think we're gonna try it like on its own to see how it is before we try to make anything with it. So is it too grainy? We feel like the liquid content might be too, like it was too dense, there wasn't enough liquid, but how does it taste?
Like everything big old flatbread?
It doesn't taste bad if you were looking for a thicker slice. Breakfast is served.
Breakfast!
Hello, could you please come in here for a moment? I need your assistance.
I got you, boo.
Could you help me? I'm kind of stuck where I am. Could you get my headphones out of my book bag?
Oh, man. You know what? Which headphones?
See if my big ones are in there. Remember we lost them?
They're not in here.
Really? In the front pocket even?
No. I don't feel the weight.
Oh, okay.
Check, I got you.
It's okay. Then we'll just live without. Can I have that then?
What?
This cushion for my back. Thanks.
Oh, man, I've been made to be nothing more than the common pillow getter.
If you don't have a husband like that, I highly recommend. Also, it helps being pregnant.
Hello?
Hey, how is it going?
I'm taking a break.
I need a break too.
Okay, get dressed. Let's go do something.
Okay, sounds good. Outfit of the day. Is this too much? I got the Birks, I got the blue tights, I got the blue turtleneck, I got the sweater with a little blue, a little yellow, a little red, all the colors from the outfit, and the shorts. I got these high-waisted, loose-fitting shorts. Is it too much, guys? Let me know. Rose is gonna hate this outfit.
Look, what's going on here, bro?
You don't like the outfit?
Look, Slim gotta go in that outfit, bro.
Why?
What's going on?
Outfit attempt number 2. And this is the final look that I ended up going with. I am a religious homeschool mom. Clearly. And that's what we got. We got the Birks. We got the long dress. It's made of denim. And we have some questionable white gentleman on my top. So there we go. Rose just found out he has to go into work in a little bit. So he's depressed. And he's probably more depressed because I'm kind of a jerk. I was like about to pass out in Walmart. So I decided to get a snack out of pure no need at all. I want to say pure necessity, but it wasn't. It was a bare necessity. So I got this chocolate brittle with M&Ms in it.
I can't eat it.
No, you can't eat anything. So my jerk face is just eating this next to him.
Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home.
I just think this is blue cheese.
Is it?
Isn't that weird?
All of it's weird.
What's it?
Please.
Okay, that's what I thought, but it's like more mushed up.
Yeah, their brand of pickles will not be the best.
Dude, there is stuff in it.
What's in it?
You're lying to me.
No.
He's lying to me about everything.
Mom, if you're watching, we need your help making akra.
I mean, it's not like you don't like that.
Yeah.
Why did they give blue cheese and ketchup?
I think she was like lost for words since I said you don't eat meat.
We came into Walmart to try to get toys. We didn't have too much luck. We found one thing, so we're back home. I'm in my room as always. Honestly, like walking in stores recently, actually I've been feeling better recently. Like maybe like a week or two ago, like walking like in a store would like completely wind me. But I feel like since I've got back from the cruise, I felt pretty good. I did a lot of walking on the cruise. Haven't gone to the gym since I got back from the cruise because honestly, I think I said before, but Rose has been sick and you don't want to like be spreading germs all over the place when you don't feel good. Right before the cruise, I was a little sick, so I didn't want to go to the gym, so we haven't done that. Hopefully we will, like tomorrow or the next day, because I do really enjoy going to the gym and I feel like it helps me feel better. It is really dark in here, I'm sorry, but I like it because I have a really bad headache. So on top of the fact that my legs are they've just like given out. I didn't know if I would even make it out of the store when we were looking for gifts for my nieces. Like all of a sudden, like I felt so overwhelmed. Like my legs were just gonna give out. So we had to head out, even though we weren't fully successful. And now it's like hard to even just vlog this because my head is killing me. It has been killing me for probably 2 hours now, since before we went out. And it's like one of those things that I find that I don't know if it's because I'm dehydrated I get a headache. I'm definitely not like fully dehydrated because I drink a lot of liquids, but if I'm not like super hydrated, I feel like that must be the reason. I'm giving myself that reason, but that's the only thing I can put to it. So whenever I get this bad headache, I try to drink a lot of water, but honestly, it doesn't usually fully do the trick. It usually takes like 5 to 6 hours before the headache goes away. The headache, some days it lasts like the entire day. So that's not fun, and I'm not someone who normally gets headaches, so this has been an interesting addition to being pregnant. But what we're gonna do now is just chill in bed. Rose has to work at 8. It's currently 5:30. So I figure let's just hang out together, watch something, and relax before he has to go. This is gonna be I thought this was gonna be a really fun vlog. I thought we were gonna go to like a winter carnival or something. But we didn't know that he would have to go into work. So that's totally fine. We're just gonna mix it up and we'll watch. I was gonna say we're gonna watch a Christmas movie to keep it on theme, but honestly, I'm gonna see if he wants to watch the movie Wednesday. Rose, what do you think about the movie Wednesday?
Never seen it before.
Then it's new. It's like the Wednesday from the Addams Family.
Never seen it. Can I be honest with you?
What?
Contrary to popular belief, Addams Family is trash.
Is trash? I don't care. I'm not like attached to it. I was just wondering if you were intrigued by it, then I would say let's watch that. Because it's new. What?
You get access to it?
It's on Netflix.
Yeah, let's watch it.
You just said it's trash.
Oh yeah, but it's on Netflix? Let's watch it.
Okay. We'll see. We'll try it and see if it's good or not. Also, wow. Look at the lighting change. But also turn the lights off. It's hurting my head.
I'm so sorry.
So we are currently driving to drop Rose off at the airport. And he has a short shift today, so it should be quick. But we finished watching our movie. Finished in parentheses because we slept the whole movie. We watched like the first 20 minutes maybe. We didn't end up watching Wednesday. We ended up going for a Christmas one. We went for a classic, The Christmas Prince, the one where she's pregnant. But clearly didn't hold us in long enough because we went right to sleep, which is fine. That's what we needed. Yeah, that's what we needed. Now we're just headed to the airport, like I said, and honestly, I am so done for. I am so tired, and I just want to vegetate for the rest of the night. I'm sure Rose can hopefully do the same.
Right.
Maybe Rose could do the same. We'll see. But I think I'm going to actually end the vlog here. I'm just going to be dropping him off, and then I'm going to just head back home. And like I said, pretty much vegetate. I'm going to lay in my little corner of my bed where I can put my tea on the desk and just edit and maybe watch a vlog or two, catch up on all the other vlogmases out there, and that's about it. That's all I want to do. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye guys.
I was in and out of town every once in a while. We never got to do what we wanted to. But when the autumn leaves made you sad that you knew me, wish I could have been there for you. You got brand new feelings and brand new thoughts, and now you're showing it off. I've been stuck in the middle of what went wrong and all the reasons why. Sentimental type doesn't wanna know what you did last night. Am I the only one who sees it? Is it good enough believing that you're not mine? 'Cause I'm sentimental. Stuff you by the corner with her head tied up the same, but something was kinda strange in mine. She's